Good morning students. Today we will start with standard 2 subject EVS. Everyone will take your books out and we will start with, we have finished with the first lesson and now we will start with the second lesson, page number 8. Everyone should take your books out and keep your finger where we are reading, okay? Now we will start with the lesson. Second lesson are senses. Anyone can tell how many senses we have? We have 5 senses. How many senses? 5 senses. They are our sight. Sight means from where we see. Hearing from the ears. Smell, we take a smell from the nose. Taste from the tongue. And touch by our skin. Our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and our skin are the 5 sense organs. Okay? Now we'll start with the first sense of organ, that is our eyes. We see with the eyes. Everyone know that we can see everything around us with our eyes. We take good care of them. Everyone takes now? Yeah, we take good care of our eyes. See, you can see here in the picture that when there is dim light or when the light is very slow or very less, you should not do any work like reading or writing in that dim light. And the second thing is, you should not sit too closer to the television. This we all children do usually, but you should not do it. You should not sit too closer to the television. Good eyesight. Good eyesight means good eyes requires vitamin E. For the good wear of your eyes, we need vitamin E. Eat yellow and orange fruits and vegetable. Everyone should eat yellow and orange fruits and vegetables. Avoid reading in a moving vehicle. We have seen many a times students while exams, when they are going for the exam, they sit on their bike and they read a book. This you should not do. You should not read a book when you are driving. Read with the light coming from over your shoulder. Whenever you sit to read a book, the light should come from your shoulder. It should not come from here. If it will focus only on your books, then your eyes will not, it cannot pain it. Read the light coming from over your shoulder. Whenever the light is coming from your shoulder, then you can read the books very properly. Sit upright when you read. Some children have the habit to sit this way, like this and like this. So you should not sit. You should sit straight when you are reading a book. Avoid playing with sharpened and pointed objects. We often use pencils, any sharpened things, and we start playing with it. But you should not do that. They can also hurt your eyes. Always wash your eyes with clean waters. Always you should wash your eyes with the clean water. Now we will go to the second page, page number 9. This is our second sense organ, that is your ears. We hear with our ears. This everyone knows that we can hear with the help of our ears. The world is full of many wonderful sounds. Every day you can hear many sounds around us, of the vehicles, of the thundering, of the fan, etc. Listen, do you hear them? We'll see some of the sounds present around us. First one is the beat of the drum. This we have all heard, the beat of the drum. Second is the sound of the alarm clock, which we hear every morning. The third is the chirping of the bird. This is the most wonderful sound anyone can like. Yes? Next, avoid listening to loud music in a closed room or through a headphone. Whenever you are sitting in a room or you have packed yourself inside the room, do not hear on a loud music or with your help of the headphones. You should never hear loud music with the help of your headphones. This can also damage your ears. Do not put any sharpened or pointed object in your ears. Never use any pointed object or any other object to put in your ears. Clean them gently with your soft towel. We should always clean our ears gently, very softly with the soft towel. The third part of a sense organ is our nose. Everyone, this is your nose. We breathe and smell with your nose. This we all know that we breathe with the help of our nose, and anything that we can smell around us, we smell it with the help of our nose. Clean your nose gently every day after a bath. Every day whenever we go to a bath, clean your nose very neatly. Use a clean handkerchief to wipe your nose. You should always use a clean handkerchief to wipe your nose. See, below they are given some pictures. You can smell this perfumes. We can all smell this onion. It also has a tangy flavor. Fish, we can also smell it, and also the flower. Correct? We can all smell this with the help of our nose. We are finished with the three sense organs. Now we will turn our page to page number 10. Our next sense organ is our tongue. So what does our tongue do? We can taste with our tongue. This we all know that whatever we eat, how do we get the taste? We get the taste with the help of our tongue. It helps us to differentiate the taste whatever we have taken. It helps us to enjoy the different flavors of food. With the help of the tongue, we can taste many different foods like sweet, sour, bitter. Correct? We can talk clearly with the help of the tongue. See, whenever we are talking, our tongue also moves up and down. So, it also helps us to speak clearly. Clean your tongue daily with the tongue cleaner. This you should do every day. You should clean your tongue properly every day with the tongue cleaner. See, below you can see these pictures that the different tastes which the tongue helps us to make out. That is, when you eat anything sweet, you can make the taste, correct? Second is our bitter taste. You don't like the bitter taste, but you love the sweet one. Next is the sour. Sour when you eat like a lemon. Next is spicy. When you eat something spicy like with more chilies and etc. Second is salty. When you eat too much of salt, you can taste it like as salty. So these all taste we can make out the difference between each of them with the help of our tongue. That is the sense organ. And the last one is our skin. Everyone has skin on their body. So our last sense organ is our skin. We feel the sense of touch with our skin. Anyone touches us, we can feel it. Why? Because of our skin. It is the sense organ of our body. We feel the sense of the touch with our skin, which covers our whole body. Our skin is covered with the whole body. Be it hot, cold, prickly, rough, smooth or sticky. These all are these types of this that we can all feel this with the sense organs, that is our skin. We feel it all with our skin. We can feel all these things with the help of our skin. And how is that? We will see this with the example of the pictures. See, first one is whenever you touch any hot object, you can feel that your hand is burnt. Why? Because we have the sense organ skin present on us. So we can feel the hot objects. We can also feel the cold objects. Whenever you touch any ice cube or any cold thing, you can feel the coolness. So that is also because of the skin. Next one is any pricky thing. Okay, this also you can see. Next is anything rough. Whenever you touch any rough thing or hard thing, you can feel it because of your skin. Next is the smooth. Everyone loves smoothness. They don't like the rough, but they like smooth. This also we can feel with the help of your skin. Next. And one more thing is the sticky thing. See, whenever you take glue in your hand, your fingers and anything, whenever it comes in the contact, you feel very sticky. You don't like it. So that also you can see that we can feel it with the help of the sense organ, which is our skin. Okay. So now in this lesson we have seen about the 5 sense organ. Which all were these? Our eyes, our ears, our nose, our tongue and our skin. Everyone remember, we have studied in this lesson about all these sense organs. And now we have finished with the lesson, and the question answers which are given on page number 11 and page number 12. You can see this, page number 11 and page number 12. This all will be given to you in the end of this video. So you all have to do this homework, that you have to write these question answers in your notebook, and also as well as in this book also. You have to complete both the books and send it to this number from which you have received the link, and the homework will be marked as your present.